Hello, YouTube. I am Eli the Fatigued, playing some more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead over on Twitch. So the Survivor Fighting Gauntlet. Sounds good. Let's see. 24, 17, 19, 18, 8, 17, 18. Bashing, piercing, bashing, piercing. Bashing, cutting. Bashing, piercing. Bashing. Bashing, cutting. Screw attack 84, 20, 81, 71. French knife is really French knife is really good. Steel chain, not bad. I think the Survivor Fighting Gauntlet overall is the best. Got that medium blocking ability, does not conduct electricity, and withstands the punishment of combat. His level 1 hammering ability is funny, but the moves for attack being 84, slightly higher than others, but not terrible. Yeah, steel chain's 26. Sorry, look at the average, not the general. You give 2 to hit. 0 to hit. Plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, minus 1. 0. For 15, 314, 15, 619. It's not bad. 1. So it depends on what my martial art actually provides in terms of damage bonus. Accuracy, cost, bash damage, by the looks of it, which makes sense. Bash damage, bash damage. Bash damage. Yeah, so it looks like the Survivor Fighting Gauntlet would probably be the best. I mean, the steel chain is alright, but you know, it deals more bash damage, but it is less useful as a weapon overall. Plus, it's a heck of a ton heavier. So, anvil, a torch, or a forge. Let's see. Charcoal forge. Two-liter metal tank, eh? Fire extinguisher. I don't have any fire extinguishers. What? I've got to have a 2-liter tank out here, right? Yeah. I think I'll do the charcoal forge and then the rock kiln, I think. Yeah, because the kiln is the one that gets you the charcoal, and the forge is the one that can smelt the Yeah. Actually. I just go grab a bunch of rocks from somewhere. I just have a bunch of rocks. No. So I'd have to break down some boulders or some cement, potentially. Alright, fair enough. Don't seem to be damaging the sidewalk, that's fine. Oh, it's nighttime. Okay, fair enough. Now, why don't I have the crowbar on? I guess B is fine. Oh, B. Yeah, that's fine. One anvil quality. Rocks. I just activate dig pit here. I just get a bunch of rocks? Yeah. I think that exhausts me faster. Just there. Wait, I have a FEMA camp right next to my base. Why have I forgotten about this? And did I just pass the entrance? Oh no, the entrance is just at the south through the forest. Fair enough. Well, who says I can't make my own entrance? Oh, frick. What the heck happened to my stamina? Oh, haha, I'm wielding my M4. That's what happened to my stamina. There's a horse, a horse, a horse, of course, of course. Didn't mean to smash. Not that there was anything in there anyway. Holy crap, that's a lot of stuff. Let's put good stuff. Papa Panda 15, thank you for the follow. Hey, butter that isn't rotten. Hooray. Oh, rotten cheeseburgers. Sad. You get some give and you get some take, unfortunately. Vegetable pizzas are old. Oh no. Oh my gosh, so much food. Like they were trying to feed an army or something at a FEMA camp. Oh, oh, now that's just the worst. Rotten chocolate milk. Oh, I don't know if you guys have ever drank rotten chocolate milk on accident. I have. It's bad. And very, very saddening. Like, it is just depressing to find out your chocolate milk's gone rotten. It's only happened to me like twice. Because normally I drink it too fast. But when it does happen, it's really sad. Yes, I see the zombies. Guilty. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, zombies! It's my food! Lane! You lost the right to it when you died. Yeah, exactly. And, these refrigerators in the game, don't work. Yeah, it's fine if it's kept cold, but unfortunately, chocolate milk going rotten is a thing that happens, and it is very, very sad. New York wieners. Oh, rotten. Sad day. Rotten sloppy joes. Even more sad. Fresh cheese. At least all the pudding and yogurt's fine. Mushy, but it's fine. Cheese fries. Ooh, cheese fries are fine. Cheese pizza are old, but they're not rotten. And rotten stuffed clam. Man, these people at this FEMA camp were living like kings. I figured that was you, Papa Panda. I figured, last hour of work, it got really busy the last hour of work, not gonna lie. It was, it was a thing. Yeah, I actually told, you fell asleep on the living room couch after work? Yeah, fair enough. As soon as I, like, actually walked away from my area at work and was walking around restocking the bread, my left knee just started throbbing like mad. Oh, I better hydrate. So I told them I'm probably gonna call out tomorrow because my left knee is really hurting actually. But yeah, looks like my my dodge counter just oop, Hit that guy too. And that is why I love Wing Chun. The dodge counter is really nice. Yeah, work is great. I was actually telling chat earlier, earlier though, that like because I used to be at an office job before this job, my body's just not used to it. So it's a lot harder on my body than it would be otherwise. Wow, seriously, nothing in any of those crates. Wow. They were eating like kings, but didn't have much else. I'll just turn on this. Oh, wait, I'll have to go inside the tent all the way. You know what, just... There we go. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, it'll probably take a couple months before my body's more used to it. Granada. Need to be on the lookout for like night vision goggles and infrared and all that. They can drop from these guys. Very rare, but I just haven't been looking because I just didn't think about it. But I definitely should be on the lookout for that just in case. Inflatable boat. Nice. Sten magazine. Nothing else in there. Oh yeah, here's the front of the FEMA. $884 sand. Oh, bored like you. Oh, I get you now. Sorry, it took me a little bit longer to get that. Speaking of taking a little bit longer to get stuff, I need to get that weapon I was working to make. Oh, 3 grenades. Nice. Some more of these MREs. Pair of... Oh. Gas masks. I should probably unload the gas masks and get some of those filter cartridges. Drink some of the water out of those disgusting canteens. No, because that's healthy. H and A MP7A2. Whoa. Yeah, grab that, I guess. Oh, is that the Rivtech? Oh, okay, it's a carbine, it's not a shotgun. Fair enough. 3 rounds. I think I picked up some 5x50mm flechette. I should probably pick that up. Just in case. An M1014 shotgun. Nice. Got some good weapons here for sure. Oh, hi, doggo. Taste the bullet. Alright, well, that's out of ammo. Drag this over to the food. Actually, let me go grab that M1014 to deal with those souls. Playing Resident Evil 6 right now. Very nice. It's a good game. I, too, enjoy playing games while watching streamers. Or at least did before I became one. It's a little bit hard to watch another stream or YouTube video while you're streaming. Mainly because of, you know... Yeah. Oh my gosh, so many grenades. Or, sorry, is that Resident Evil 6 or Rainbow 6? I just realized you could be referring to Rainbow 6. Military ID card, don't mind if I do. I think I'm good on cash cards. Got a few $1,000s in cash cards on this character. Alright, grab that shotgun. There we go. Oh, I have too much in my inventory. That's probably part of the reason. Oh, brought all the books. That doesn't help. Oh, the HAK is kind of heavy. Yeah, it's 5 pounds. All the books. Yeah, it's like 16 pounds of books right now. Or right there. Alright, that's better. Not constantly draining stamina now, like I was. Alright, come and get me, boys. Dodge counters. I love dodge counters. They're so good. Until you run out of stamina. Then they're really terrifyingly horrible. Gas discount, food place, platinum gas, cash card, loyalty. 14, big bird first aid. 8x40 tracer. 5.62. 50 cal. 8x40. H&K 12mm. Alright. Big 5.52. The individual defense weapon. Yeah, exactly. Sometimes, especially when you're playing co-op, it's not good to have, you know, other sounds going so you can't hear your allies. Wow, lots of good stuff actually. Remington battle rifle and or the Rivtech battle rifle and the Remington 300 blackout rounds. Nice. Of course, out of a 500 box magazine, it has 3 rounds in it. Not that I need the 5.56 to be fair. With all the friggin' with all the turrets I've blown up, I've got so much ammo for these guns now. Oops. Crap. I keep doing that. There we go. Alright, so I cleared out the food tent, gun area, or the guard area, the guard post. Eesh. Took a lot of stamina to do that. The ready room, that's the word I was thinking of. Clear out the ready room and the guard post. What do we got in here? Another ready room, wow. Rivtech submachine gun. Eh. Hand pump. What is that useful? Label objects? I'll grab it, I guess. Wow, this is getting me a whole lot of nothing in these crates. Why not? Grab the inflatable boat. Large tactical backpack. What? Never seen that before. Total capacity 66 liters. With a maximum item length of 27 inch. Encumbrance 10 when full, 55. Cover stamina, getting rid of the stupid breath sound. Hiking backpack. What do you have? Total capacity 59.5. Volume of 50 liters with a maximum of 23 inches. Torso 26 when full, 40. So the tactical backpack is more encumbering when full, but you can fit longer items in it, like guns. So I'm actually gonna wear the tactical backpack as my main as my primary backpack, I think. And take off the hiking backpack. Yeah. Very nice. Freeze-dried meal. Interesting. That's the first time I've seen a freeze-dried meal. Can I make freeze-dried meals? No. Interesting. But I can rehydrate it. Is it to increase the calories? 439... 879. I don't know. Shelf life of 4 years. Wow. Cool. Alright. Haven't been into all these rooms, but, you know, they're just showers. And I think one's like the pump room or something. Yeah, there we go. Not a whole lot in here. Yeah, that's that FEMA camp. YouTube, I need to go ahead and end the episode here. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, YouTube.